Me didn't send a dim be any na Luzona. Oh, champions, me favorite team of women's here. I'll be to maybe me should be to maybe near PSG. In terms of their playing, you know, I'm playing the effort. They are good in possessing. Mutumbo possessible ni any more flanks and so be any say na omo goals. Adia Arsenal to me this thing on defensive wise. Omo defensive wise na Arsenal defensive one na solid. And na PSG you know onya 4 chances a den we to match be 2. In PSG me favorite. Any team can win but my favorite team is PSG. Oh, I'm sure came inside because me a Barcelona fan. Until now, me person can me team to me define an air cover by to me. But teams in the woman no be a assisting will be no be a favorite so be to my fa. PSG, Bayern, Barcelona no be a favorite but and to man cause area one woman so be a favorite because PSG is defending champion. On only players in the one or the same coach. Philosophy now the same. Into me I said I shock me sir. No, Arsenal.
One shock.
Arsenal. Oh, say me okay, maybe Barcelona fan. Me make say me am team Barcelona.
Disappointed.
Because na me person give to me do final now give to me my cap no so ntinu to me. Ulisi surprising but Ulysses surprised me and who else? Ulysses Bayern. I'm sure Ulysses because Ulysses Champions League game no boy na too hot too superb. Bayern PSG home way home no. PSG home. Say na 5-3 or so. 5-4. And na favorite. And now is about you say final before my final kaza. We to make a Teta. Because or leg or to my leg we to me leg no be to my was had in the team like final for Champions League so the one more solid. PSG Bayern because we see crowd. Saka is not bad. Dembele PSG what do you call it? Cascaria, yeah. I'm not too surprised because I'm saying more about good. Maybe 2-1 in favor of PSG or 3-2 in favor of PSG. Barcelona. Alvarez. Cascara beat Magic and now see Ulisi. That 2 players. 6.5. Because we match in the crowd. PSG Bayern match in the crowd. We say who they are. Barcelona Atletico. You know who they are. I feel the referees on my hand. Oh, they can make errors, but I feel errors on it is too much. It's too much. And we say, if you understand, we are now preparing the boys. Say, we good in the bat. We pick here. Because we in defensive wise now, top Europe team. Say 4 and 5 on. We be call Bayern, Real Madrid, PSG. Say 4 and 5 on. We started. In terms of Martinelli, what do you call it? Offending. Martinelli and science boy Kubasi money ade work top team Europe top team here no be start but what they are playing or do but aka confidence and how to momo share omo say bua we be kasa chere we so won nyina we equal until so be so minim say they are afraid to communicate to themselves say bua gina ye yan ye say any defensive wise any problem defensive and come in this season anything to me Champions League any kum ye